The second day here in Myrtle Beach was a good time. Wife and I got up, we had 2 church services, we had some breakfast here in the room, we just kind of talked, sat around, edited and put up the video that you guys saw yesterday morning, which was our drive down and sort of when we got here. And then we went off, we had a meeting that we had to go and attend. Then we kind of walked around, we went to a restaurant called River City Cafe, which we went to last time we were here in Myrtle Beach, and we liked it. And this time was even a bit more personal because, you know, the COVID rules and not putting everybody in one room. So we sat there, had some food, then we came back to the room, dropped some stuff off, and we're going to go do some putt-putt. Yes, mini golf. I'm trying to be like a Tiger Woods. And, you know, well, it was closed because of COVID rules. So then we came back here, we set up and did a couple time lapses of the sun setting and did a few more things around the room. We rented a movie and we were getting ready to sit down and watch that now and just relax. So we are having a good time, and this property is, like I said yesterday, first time we're staying here. We really do like it. So with that, I'm gonna show you guys some of the highlights from our day. Check it out.